As you can tell, I fish some pretty skinny waters sometimes, and while I don't fret a lot about some paint missing on my skag, I do care a lot about the lower unit. The lower unit converts the power of your outboard's engine to turn the propeller. Without it, you go nowhere. Hey, it's really smart to visually inspect your lower unit every time you come off the water. In fact, I check both of mine every time I trailer my boat. If you find things like fishing line wrapped around the prop shaft, remove it immediately. Also, periodically check the color of your lower unit's gear lube. If it's milky in color, have your outboard professionally inspected for possible water intrusion. If it looks or smells burnt, replace it immediately with Yamalube Marine Gear Case Lube. I change my gear lube every fall. Hey, it's a simple project and it's part of my winterization program. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.